Hey guys, it's been a little bit since I gave you an update about the stray cat coming around. As you'll see in these video clips, this cat is obviously not being fed. I was told by somebody that it belongs or has been seen hanging out at a house that lives down that little road over there, but like I said, as you'll see in these clips, this cat is not being fed. It's hungry all the time. We're finally over our cold snap. A couple days ago I wouldn't be able to stand out here and even do this video. It's actually above freezing today, but that's going to change. It's supposed to go back down to single digits again. And I'm going to throw in a couple clips that were recorded on this camera. This is totally Wi-Fi, and it uses the app on my phone. The camera's fantastic. It actually has an intercom on it. You can record sound and or speak to it. There's a clip I have on there, should still have it. The cat was out here and I called out kitty 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 and it kind of looked up at me. It didn't really run away, so it's kind of neat. But the app sucks. To get the playback you have to find the file, if it'll even work, and then find what you want, and then you actually have to push the record button, and if it plays smoothly, great, then you got a good video. But most of the time it's real jerky. So like I said, it's a $30 camera, but it does the job for the most part. And then I got my trail camera set up, watching the river. It's been taking one picture every 5 minutes for 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the afternoon. I was hoping the river was going to freeze over. The ice came way out to here at one point, but now it's receded already. So I'm just going to leave that run and see what happens this weekend when it gets really cold. And then my trail camera across the river is hopefully still there. I'm going to go get the card out of it tomorrow. It's on one of them trees back there. I don't know how much will be on there though. We haven't seen any deer crossed over here in forever. But maybe they're coming around at night. So for you cat lovers, hopefully you enjoy watching. I'm going to go with the name Walker Megadesi. I really like that name. It walked into our lives. So thanks for watching, guys.